Good morning, dear children. From today, school has started and some of your classmates have come, and today we discussed about N coordination compound, again the IUPAC nomenclature. Of coordination compounds containing complex ion. Coordination compounds containing the complex cation. Complex cation. वही formula जो that day I have told you. First we will write ligand, then central metal or atom or ion, central metal atom or ion, then oxidation state, that is written in Roman 1, 2, 3, then ionic sphere, or counter ion. Okay, ion. एंड जब नेगेटिव पार्ट होगा, जो कॉम्प्लेक्स कैटायन के बदले कॉम्प्लेक्स एनायन होगा, तो उसमें मेटल बाहर लिखते हैं, ये ध्यान में रखना है. सो लेट मी शो यू वन कंपाउंड. एंड बेस और ट्रेस कहाँ लगाते हैं बेटा? बेस ट्रेस टेट्राकिस, वेयर ऑलरेडी देयर इज डाई ट्राई टेट्रा इज प्रेजेंट, देन लिगैंड के साथ बेस ट्रेस टेट्राकिस ये सब वी हैव टू यूज. ओके, सो लेट मी शो यू विद वन एग्जाम्पल, दैट इज CONH3 whole 6 Cl3. As we see, this is a cation, so here the name will be, first we will write the name of the ligand. So the name of the ligand is amine. कितने amine है? hexa. So we will write here hexa amine. ठीक है. Then cobalt, then let it be oxidation state, and then chloride. As we see, -3 is the charge because NH3 is neutral, so 0 multiplied by 6 is 0, so -3, so here oxidation state of cobalt will be 3. In the same manner we will solve the questions of textbook. Now the next type of question is write the formula. 9.2 write the formula, ठीक है, of these compounds. So A is tetraamine, ध्यान से देखना, tetraamine aquachlorido cobalt 3 chloride. Okay, so tetraamine aqua and cobalt. So first step what I will do, I am seeing that this is a cation. Okay, sorry, cobalt 3 chloride. ठीक है, तो यानी ये कैटायन है. इसका फॉर्मूला कैसे लिखेंगे? CO कोबाल्ट हो गया, देन टेट्रामाइन यानी NH3 होल 4, ये कैटायन हो ना बेटा ये पार्ट, तो होल 4, एंड देन यहाँ पे गैप छोड़ना है 3 के बाद. ओके, ध्यान रखना. एक्वा यानी H2O, देन डाईक्लोरिडो यानी Cl2 डाईक्लोरिडो, एंड tetraamine aqua, it is not dichlorido, it is chlorido only, so let it be Cl only. ठीक है, Cl, and then we will write cobalt 3 chloride. So 3 chloride यानी Cl chloride के लिए बाहर रखेंगे Cl. Now this is neutral, this is neutral, so charge is 0, this is -1, so -1 यानी -3 चार्ज चाहिए हमें कोबाल्ट का, so here it is 2. So the formula will be like this. Next compound will be potassium tetrahydroxido zincate zincate 2. As I told you, when it is in the form of anion, then metal contains ATE suffix. समझ में? And potassium, ये anion है तो potassium will be out, K. Or we don't know how many K is present. So tetrahydroxido यानी zincate, तो zincate यानी Zn metal is present in the anion part. Zn hydroxido OH, how many hydroxido? 4. Okay. Now zinc is 2 and OH is -1. So 2 minus 4 is equal to -2. So K will be 2. And we can also solve it by putting the value of oxidation state of K is X. Then X plus 2 minus 4 is equal to 0. So you will get 2. So oxidation state of potassium will be, here we will write 2. Correct? Then we will write third question, that is potassium trioxalato aluminate 3. Now again with what we see, potassium पहले लिखा है, that means ये सारा पार्ट क्या होगा बेटा? anion part होगा. anion part में one metal is there, aluminium, therefore aluminate is there. So let us write here potassium के लिए K. Then trioxalato, oxalato क्या होता है? C2O4, 2 minus. So trioxalato, so we will write here, and which metal is present? Al, C2O4, tri 3. Okay. Then over, so potassium trioxalato aluminate. Now aluminum is 3 and C2O4 is -2. So -2, 3 plus -6 यानी -6. So K will be 3. To counter this, K will be 3. Correct? In this way we will write this nomenclature. Fourth one is dichloridobis. Dichloridobis. N cobalt 3. Okay. In this what we see, bis is mentioned. What does bis mean? Ethane, N means ethane 1,2-diamine. So ethane 1,2-diamine में already di is present, therefore we will use bis. And now we see this is in this form of cation, or so we will write here cobalt यानी CO, डाइक्लोरिडो यानी Cl2, bis N मतलब En2. Okay, and cobalt oxidation state is 3. So what we see here, अगर cobalt का oxidation state 3 है और En का neutral है, तो this will be 2 into 0 यानी 0, and this is 2 only, but we have to get 2 plus 1 3. So let it be plus 1 charge. If you suppose it X, so X minus 2 plus 0 is equal to 1. So X is equal to 3. So cobalt 3 you will get. Correct? In this way, these nomenclatures are written. Now in text question, I will show you 9.1. Okay. First question is tetraamine diaqua cobalt 2 chloride. So it is present as cation as we see. So we will write here cobalt tetraamine यानी बेटा NH3 whole 4 diaqua, so H2O whole 2 over, and then here chloride Cl, but 2 cobalt oxidation state is 2 and this is neutral, so Cl2 will be there, then only oxidation state of cobalt will be 2, because this is 0, they two are neutral. Okay, Second one, potassium tetracyanide nickelate 2. So potassium tetracyanide nickelate 2, that means potassium will be out. That means ये सारा पार्ट क्या है बेटा, एनायन है, तो के को आउट रहने दो. टेट्रासाइनाइडो निकेलेट, निकेल इज द मेटल एंड साइनाइडो यानी CN, टेट्रा CN and then it is 2. So nickel is 2, 2 minus 4 is equal to minus 2, so it is K2NiCN4. In this way it will be written K2NiCN4. Okay. नेक्स्ट 9.2 में से एक दो क्वेश्चन आई विल शो यू. 9.2 में से फर्स्ट वन, राइट IUPAC नेम. ये सब था राइट फार्मूला. ओके, या दिस इज, यहाँ लिख दो राइट फार्मूला. ओके, एंड हियर वी विल राइट द IUPAC नेम. So how to write the IUPAC name? First question is CONH3 whole 6 Cl3. We have to write the IUPAC name. So as we see, this is cationic part, so we will write here. पहले क्या लिखते हैं बेटा, लिगैंड. So hexaamine cobalt oxidation state and chloride. Now we see that this is 0 because amine is a neutral ligand. So what charge it carries? 3, any -3. So cobalt has to be cobalt 3 chloride. So in this way it will be written cobalt 3 chloride. Next compound is CONH3 whole 5, then Cl, then Cl2. So name we have to write again. I see that this is a cationic part, so cation part में we will write, we'll start with ligand. So we will write penta, and amine is present, chloride is present, so obviously amine will be written first. So penta amine chlorido cobalt oxidation state chloride. As we see, chloride is -1 and -2, -3, but amine is 0 because it is a neutral ligand, so -3. So obviously cobalt oxidation state will be 3. So 1, 2, 3. So the name of the compound is pentaamine chlorido cobalt 3 chloride. So I hope you are clear. One more example I want to show you. Same question, third one. It is K3FeCN6. So we will write here, as I see, this is the cation part, this is the anion part. In anion part फेरस है तो फेरेट लिख दोगे, समझ में आया. तो वी विल राइट हियर पोटेशियम, देन FeCN6. सो हेक्सासैनो या सायानिडो भी लिखते हैं, हेक्सासैनो. देन फेरेट hexacyanoferrate, and ferrate का oxidation state will be, it is 3, and this is, suppose you don't know, so it is 3 minus 6 यानी -3, so -3 यानी +3, so it is 3. So we see that the name of the compound is potassium hexacyanoferrate. We can also write it potassium hexacyanidoferrate. Correctly? Thank you. So you practice all the questions. Tomorrow I will tell you another type of Question that is isomerism in coordination compounds.